Finding metal pipes and live AC voltage is easy with the Zircon MetalliScanner m60c metal and AC scanner. The m60c has two scanning modes and features the advanced ColorTrip display that lights blue in metal scan mode to help you find non-ferrous metal up to 1.5 inches deep and ferrous metal up to 3 inches deep, and lights red in AC scan mode to help you find live, unshielded electrical wires up to 2 inches deep. The m60c also features wire warning detection in metal scan mode by lighting red to alert you to the presence of live AC, and flashes red when you start directly over an area with live AC. Just like any of your electronic devices, the Zircon MetalliScanner m60c is loaded with technology that requires a fully charged battery. Make sure you are using a brand new 9-volt alkaline battery with an extended expiration date. This tool also has a low battery indicator to alert you when the battery level is getting low for optimal performance. To find metal, select Metal Scan. The target indication bars on the LCD display screen will ramp inward as you approach the metal target, the SpotLite Pointer shines, and the tool will beep when you are near the target. To find AC voltage, select AC Scan. The target indication bars will ramp inward as you approach the AC wiring, the SpotLite Pointer shines, and the tool will beep when you near the target. Used to scan through walls, tile, and more. Buy your Zircon MetalliScanner m60c today.